Mic like what the fuck is new? I'm that jello needing window peeping kid who spit the truth. Who don't meddle with the metal cause the camera all I shoot. Call me yellow demon always creeping on the avenue. I'm like hello screaming in the mic like what the fuck is new? I'm that jello needing window peeping kid who spit the truth.
Alright y'all, so the unit is removed, okay? So now we're going to see if it's definitely truly glueless. I'm going to put it back on with the band first and then I'm going to install it. Make sure the frontal is completely flipped out. Fluff it, fix the baby hairs. This don't have any product on it, guys. Just kind of, you know, position the baby hairs kind of back into position. And voila, guys, it literally took all of 2 minutes to basically apply this wig back.
Call me yellow demon always creeping on the avenue. Call like hello screaming.